Now, Goldstein Buckley Seckman Rice & Pertz presents Counsel's Corner.
Hello and welcome to Counsel's Corner. My name's Andrea Smith and I'm joined by my husband, Christopher Smith. We're partners at Goldstein Buckley Seckman Rice & Pertz. We're here today to talk about the Exactech Hip Recall, and we are notified about a lot of different product recalls, but this one is particularly significant because it involves removal and replacement of a surgical device. Chris, can you tell the viewers a little bit more about the recall?
So there is an Exactech recall, and it's for certain hip and knee replacements, and you can go on our website, it's justicestartsnow.com, to see that. And what happens is these replacements are corroding right after they're put in the body. So this causes all sorts of symptoms like pain and swelling and lack of mobility. So if you are having those sort of symptoms, go to your doctor, but also check on our website to see if your implant has been recalled.
What can viewers do if they believe that they might have one of these faulty devices?
Contact an attorney. Also, obviously, go to your doctor. When you have your surgical notes from your surgery, it will tell you your implant type or implant number, so you can get that information and compare it to the website, and then take action. You don't want to live with that pain, and unfortunately, folks have to deal with potentially another implant revision, so it can be a scary process.
There's also issues with the company potentially contacting claimants, and you should consult an attorney before ever accepting any type of settlement offered to you by the company.
Absolutely. They might offer you lowball numbers that aren't going to be commensurate with the type of pain and suffering and injuries that you sustain. So if you have one of these issues, you can reach us at justicestartsnow.com and do an online chat, or call us at 239-500-HURT, and we'd be happy to help you.